everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can uninstall apps or programs in our Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get started. And we have two ways to do that. So the first one is to go to our settings, and we can do that by making a click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings option. So here from the left pane, you will see all the options under settings. Let us go look for apps, and once found, please click on it and you will see all the options under apps. Please go to installed apps, and once you click on it, you will see all the installed apps that you have in your device. So if you want a certain app to be uninstalled, all you need to do is just to make a click on this three dot button here, or three dot icon, for more options, and you will see the uninstall option or the modify option. Okay, so also if you want to change for other options, you can also make a click on this, and let's find for here this one. If you want to make some changes in its advanced options, all you need to do is just click on this advanced options here, or if you want to uninstall it, then just click on uninstall button. Okay, so that's how you do it. And for the second step, all we need to do is just to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key all together, or by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then click on this run options here. So once this run window will be up on our screen, all we need to do is just type for appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl, and then once done typing, please click on OK or enter. And just wait for this programs and features window to come up on your screen. So once you're here, you will see all the applications that you have in your device, and you have or you can uninstall or change a program in this window. So all you need to do to uninstall a program is to just select it and from the list and then click uninstall. Now, once you select it, just make a right click on it and then just click on uninstall, and you can also change or repair them. For example, you select it and then make a right click, and then you will see the options uninstall, change, or repair. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's very easy. So I hope you follow the process accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.